It is like the hottest part of the day today, so what to do on the hottest part of the day? Come outside and paint a fence. My husband put this fence up to go up to the top part of our property, and I figured it's really ugly, so I'm going to paint it like an American flag. So why not? I got this paint. I got red. I'm holding it up opposites. I got red, white, and blue spray paints, and I got my water, and I got my camera because I've been doing YouTube vlogs, so I'm going to work on that. And I'm literally in a skirt. Everybody's like, you're so dressed up, where are you going today? I'm literally spray painting a fence. So this is actually pretty big. So then I'm going to get like these metal stars and paint them white, but it's actually okay. So there is the fence before. I literally cannot get this lid off of here. Oh my god, who puts lids on here? It's tight. Oh, there. Alright, I'm going to do the blue first. I normally paint with a paintbrush. Not so good with spray can, we'll see. It is literally the hottest part of the day, and I'm out here with spray paint and a fence. Any idea what I'm doing? I might be out here for 10 minutes, and this was frozen solid, and it's like really melting fast. Okay, but anyway, I'm done with the blue, I think. Let me put this down. Okay, I think that's enough blue. I didn't want to go too much on the blue. I might go maybe a little bit further, I don't know. Okay, so after looking at it, I decided to go down like that, right here, anyway, because I figured when I do the stripes, I didn't want to do those obviously red or white anyway. I figured they'd be better blue. Listen to me, I'm out of breath. But anyway, because I'm going to put stars on there anyway, so I figured that would look actually a lot better. So I did those blue as well. Now I just have the red and white stripes, so should go pretty fast. I was so close to finishing the red. I'm going to have to go get another can, unless my husband has some in the garage. Like, I was so close. I still have 2 more stripes on the white, and then I'll show you, but damn it. Okay, I'm going to have to touch it up because I ran out of paint. But here it is so far. And then I'm going to add some stars on the blue, where obviously the stars go. And then I ran out of red here. So make sure you follow me on Instagram or Snapchat, and I will show you a picture of what it looks like finished. Or if I don't get this vlog up in time, I'll show you what it looks like actually in this video, so I don't know. Okay, so it's finally cooling off. My hair is so gross, I apologize. But I found these, and I'm super excited. These were like a stake, like from the ground, and they got all rusty. I think I got them at the Dollar Tree like a long time ago, and I found them in the garage. But I took the stake off of them, and I'm going to paint them white, and I think these are going to look really cute on my gate. Let me put my shirt up. Okay, so I only have 2 of them right now, but my husband actually can cut these out if I give him like the measurements, I guess. So I only have 2, and obviously this is a pretty big fence, but I thought that would be a pretty good size from them. And obviously I'm not going to put like 50 stars or anything on there. I'm just going to put like a couple in there. But I think that's a pretty good size. I don't know. We'll paint them and we'll see. Okay, so it's the second day, and my husband made more work, but he made it look actually more like a flag. He added 2 more bars, but I'm going to have to redo my painting. So I'm going to have to do this one white. I'm going to have to redo this one red, and then white, and then red. So I'm going to redo this, and then here are my stars. He's going to paint, or he's going to cut more of those out in metal, and we're going to put those up, and I think it's going to look pretty good. Okay, so I got new paint, and it's not the same paint. Oh well, we'll see. Okay, so look, I found berries. I never get to these in time because birds always get to them. Not today, birds. Not today. Now I'm gonna have to walk around and pick some of these because they're my favorite. All right, let's finish this. I gotta do this red. All right, last color. White's actually the hardest to paint with because it leaves a lot of overspray, and then you get like white specks everywhere. I hate it. We didn't get all the stars done yet, but I think it looks pretty cute.